What's going on, guys? This is Karol Fuller from Undisputed Marketer, and if you're watching this video, you are probably doing some research on YouTube or somewhere else about InMotion web hosting, and you're wondering whether or not this is the right choice for you. So in this InMotion review, we are going to dive deep into this topic, and we're going to actually look at the most important aspects of this web hosting provider so you can decide whether or not this is the right choice for you. Now, if you decide after the video that InMotion is the right web hosting provider for you, then I will leave a direct link to the best available offer together with any promotional offers and discount codes in the description below so you can use it and get better prices. Now, without further ado, let's get going. Now, InMotion is not a new name in the web hosting world. In fact, they have been here for already 20 years, so they are one of the most well-established companies in the world. Now, InMotion is mostly well known for being a top hosting for small businesses. However, they offer all the most popular hosting options, including shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, as well as the dedicated hosting. InMotion is backed by lots of awards for the best business hosting, best performance hosting, as well as the best overall hosting. So that just gives that peace of mind that they do quality hosting. When it comes to the actual features we are getting from InMotion, there are a few that really stand out. First of all, it is the free SSD drives that are included in all of the plans. Now, lately it's becoming more and more important for me whenever I check any web hosting provider, as these SSD drives just give naturally higher speed and better performance for your websites. Apart from that, unlimited bandwidth and free SSL certifications are a must, so they are included, as well as SSH access. From InMotion we are getting also a free domain for 1 year, so what I usually recommend is to take that one domain for the 1 year, and then after the year just change it to some domain registrar, as it's going to be way cheaper for you. Apart from that, InMotion is supported by the latest PHP 8, which just gives that higher speed and performance for your websites, and as well as they are powered by their own UltraStack data center technology, which was developed by InMotion and is providing higher speed results. If you already have a website and you're thinking about changing your web hosting provider, then InMotion is offering you a free website migration. It's all done for your service. You just contact the support either through an email ticket or a live chat, and they are going to move your website completely on your behalf. Apart from that, InMotion is offering a free website builder with all of the plans, and their generous 90 days money-back guarantee with all of the plans just gives that extra peace of mind for you. On the other hand, there are a few downsides that we really need to talk about. First of all, there are no automatic backups included in any of the plans. You will need to buy them separately as an extra add-on. Manual backups are always available, plus you can always ask and contact the live chat support to create a free backup for you. Apart from that, InMotion is offering only 2 data centers, which are both only in the United States, which means that if your traffic is coming from different countries than US, then you should expect a slower load time, and probably it's not the best web hosting provider for you. Apart from that, there are no monthly plans for you to try out. The lowest plan is only 1 year plan, so if you want to try it out, then you need to invest into a 1 year plan. However, with their generous money-back guarantee, there is no risk involved. One of the most important aspects of any web hosting provider is the actual speed and uptime they are offering you. At the end of the day, you want your website to be always accessible at the highest possible speed for your customers. InMotion is offering an uptime guarantee of 99.9%, which, to be honest, nowadays is a pretty average or even industry minimum. There are other web hosting providers who are offering uptime guarantee of 99.99%, so having 99.9% is the industry minimum nowadays. However, the actual tests show a pretty solid uptime on our websites. In order to get a relevant speed result, I have created a simple website in their free website builder BoldGrid and have run a series of speed tests through GTmetrix. The results you can see over here. The load page time is 1.2 seconds and the GTmetrix grade is A. Now keep in mind I haven't used any optimization and the website is fairly simple. As you are going to use more themes, pictures or videos, you can expect the load page time to go slightly up. Nevertheless, the result is still one of the top I have ever tested. When it comes to the actual prices and packages we are offered from InMotion, there are initially free plans available for up to 2 years. However, if you use the link in the description below, it will unlock a fourth plan, the cheapest and the lowest plan, which is excellent for a person who is looking for a hosting only for one website. Apart from that, the link also unlocks a 3-year plan option, which just gives you that extra discount and saving you money in the long run. So now we do have 4 different plans to deal with. First of all, it is the Lite plan, which comes for a price tag of $249 per month. Then we have Launch plan for $4.99 per month, Power plan and the Pro plan for $12.99 per month. Now the key differences among all of these plans is the number of websites or domains that we can work with. As we already mentioned, the Lite plan comes with only one website, while for example the Pro plan comes with up to 100 websites. Now, as the InMotion hosting is run on the SSD servers or drives, then the disk space is always going to be limited. The Lite plan comes with 10 GB of disk space, while, for example, the Power plan comes with up to 100 GB of disk space. Email accounts are also limited apart from the Pro plan, and higher plans come with optimization for business such as e-commerce ready feature. Now, as you can see, InMotion is pretty transparent and clear about the differences among all of their plans, so you can just go ahead and have a look at it for yourself and decide which plan is the best choice for you. When it comes to the actual backend and the ease of use, InMotion is using the standard cPanel, which those of you who are already used to it will appreciate it, and those of you who are new to it will appreciate it as well, as it is very easy to use system. cPanel is pretty intuitive and brings in standardized and easy to navigate in a system. Simplicity is the key to success and it definitely applies with cPanel. One-click WordPress installation is included as well as whole other plugins. No matter if you're a complete beginner or a pro, you always want to have a knowledgeable support at your disposal. Now with InMotion you are getting support from live chat, support tickets, calls, as well as their knowledge base. Now I have tried out their live chat support both as a customer and as a new person. As a new person, I never waited longer than few seconds for the associate. I always received knowledgeable and fast responses, and they were really willing to help and advise on the best plan for my particular needs. As a customer, I received again very fast and knowledgeable responses, never waited longer than few seconds, and they were really willing to help you and guide you on how to do exact things. On top of that, they are really willing to do the work on your behalf, which for a beginner is a really appreciated thing to do. So all in all, would I recommend you web hosting from InMotion? InMotion is a pretty decent web hosting provider who's been here on the market for over 20 years. Now the obvious downside is that their data centers are only in the United States, so if your traffic is coming primarily from the North America, then I would highly recommend you getting InMotion, as the performance and the features are really top quality. However, on the other hand, if your traffic is coming also from other parts of the world, then I would probably suggest you to look at different web hosting providers such as SiteGround, who have data centers also in other parts of the world. So if you decide after the video that InMotion is the right choice for you, then don't forget to use the link in the description below to get the best deal available, together with any promotional prices as well as discount codes. So this is it guys for today. If you liked the video, give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notified about any new content, and if you have any questions or comments, do not hesitate to leave them down below. So this is it guys. Again, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.